If you're looking for a healthy, easy, and impressive dinner, this roasted chicken with herb potatoes and green beans is perfect. One pan, simple ingredients, big flavor. Let's start with what we need. First, 600 grams chicken tenderloin or whole chicken breast. Next, 600 grams baby potatoes, halved or quartered. These roast beautifully and stay tender inside. For freshness, 200 grams green beans trimmed. Now the flavor base: 3 tablespoons olive oil, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, half teaspoon chili flakes, juice of half a lemon, salt, and black pepper. Optional for the beans, 1 tablespoon butter. And finally, fresh chopped parsley for garnish. Now that everything is ready, let's roast it to golden perfection in part 2. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, toss the potatoes with olive oil, garlic, paprika, oregano, salt, and pepper. Spread them on one side of a baking dish. Rub the chicken with olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, chili flakes, salt, and pepper. Place it next to the potatoes in the same dish. Bake uncovered for 30 to 35 minutes until the chicken reaches 74 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit internally, and the potatoes are golden and crispy outside. Steam or blanch the green beans for 3 to 4 minutes. Toss with a little butter and season lightly. Slice the chicken. Spoon the pan juices over everything. Sprinkle fresh parsley on top. Golden, juicy, fresh, balanced. This is the kind of dinner that feels restaurant quality, but takes less than an hour. Follow for more easy, high-protein meals.